الرحمن الرحيم الحمد لله رب العالمين والصلاة والسلام على أشرف الأنبياء والمرسلين نبينا محمد وعلى آله وصحبه أجمعين. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, He says in Surah At-Tawbah, إِنَّ عِدَّةَ الشُّهُورِ عِنْدَ اللَّهِ 12 شَهْرًا, that with Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala are 12 months in the book of Allah since the creation of the heavens and the earth, مِنْهَا أَرْبَعَةٌ حُرُمٌ, out of which 4 of them are sacred months. And so we have Dhul Qa'dah, Dhul Hijjah, Muharram, 3 months that come back to back, and then Rajab, which is also a sacred month. Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam spoke highly of this month, and in the narration of Muslim, he said that the most virtuous fast after the month of Ramadan is the month of Allah, month of Muharram, and he ascribed this month to Allah to show its significance. And he said that the best salah, the best prayer after the obligatory prayers is the tahajjud salah. In another narration of Tirmidhi, Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam, he said that this day of Ashura, I hope that a person who fasts on this day will expiate the sins of the previous year. And so 10th of Muharram is right around the corner. You have the option of either fasting the 9th, 10th, or 10th or 11th, or you can just fast one day. There are both scholarly opinions. Scholars who say that you should fast 2 days, either 9th and 10th, or 10th and 11th, or you just fast the day of Ashura, which is the 10th of Muharram. And 10th of Muharram was a day where fasting was obligatory before Ramadan became an obligation. Once Ramadan was made obligatory, that the obligation of Muharram was lifted. However, the virtues still remain. May Allah allow us to fast in the month of Muharram as much as we can, especially on the 10th. May Allah Azza wa Jal accept our good deeds and forgive our sins.